So we started a day here in Long Beach, Mississippi. It's right along the Gulf Coast. You'll see a lot of these type of things where you got an old stairway to a house that got washed away during Katrina. So the stairway or the driveway to nowhere. And I'm just styling and profiling as only I can do. Now today, this is the NC Chef. So we're here at the Gulfport Harbor. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So this is really cool. This is an old bridge. This is the old bridge that is abandoned now. It just kind of stops here at the end, not going all the way across. And there's a new bridge next to it, but you can come out here and fish. That's kind of a cool thing they did. They left this bridge for the fishermen.
That's the bridge we'll take to the next beach towns tomorrow.
Yep, that bridge goes across, and one of them is to Alabama.
This is cool over here. This is like a beach club.
If you guys want to know where your jobs are going, here you go. This job pays $0 an hour. Let's see what's inside. First of all, it's the expiration date here. Best by September of 2023. They just took a generic ice cream sandwich, stuck it in a blast freezer, and sold it for $4. Just got the 12-pack for the same price. It was cold. So I'm in the Walmart there, and first off, they send a rental cop to follow me around the store. Cause I'm looking over there in like the sporting goods area and stuff. Just Mrs. Chef was looking for a tank top and all, and I was screwing off. Then they send one of the employees over there to follow me around and act like he's stocking something, but she wasn't stocking nothing. Then they send that robot to follow me around, act like it's cleaning the floor or something. However, no matter what they were up to in there, which is everything in there was odd. Those are your jobs, people. You think Walmart's going to save you? More and more stores have 0 people to check you out now. 0. You have to go through the self-checkout line. The lady that used to sit on top of that machine and clean them floors? Yep. She's internal memory now. She is paid $0 an hour. You see what's happening, folks? If I can't wake you up, you better shop at your mom and pa store. That's why I don't go to Walmart's very rarely, a couple times a year, maybe at the most. Well, the only thing missing here is no breathing in the air. Guess they still let you do that.
Did you get the fancy cheese?
Beach time. Oh yeah, where's the boars and cheese? Yeah, here it is right here. Fancy cheese.
Everything's in there.
You got Christini's.
Yeah, having a picnic.
Picnic on the beach.
Yay.
Beautiful white sand beach. Got some seagull looking at my crackers.
We gotta feed them some crackers. All be over here.
Yeah, then you have 5 of them over here and then 50 of them.
Alright, here's some of this stuff, guys.
This is quality content, folks. Quality content.
Army helicopters, right?
Why is there attack helicopters coming down on us, Mrs. Chef?
They heard you stole a knife at Walmart.
Oh yeah, Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman, $100 and whatever dollar bonus. So we are here at the beignet shop getting some beignets. Well, we are here at the Island View Casino and I had a good time. Started with 20 bucks, got up to 140, and I just gave my last $7 to the beignet lady.
That's
Well,
right.
You're still doing okay, right?
Yes.
Good.
For now.
For now. So I got the background of the hotel in the backdrop here. It's one of the only casinos I've ever been to where you can actually see outside. That's why they call it the ocean view. It's kind of cool. And this side is non-smoking. And you go across the street to that breezeway over there, and that's a smoking casino. Now, I was watching Rosie O'Kelly's channel, and she was talking about how there's no old people in Vegas right now. It's the younger crowd. And let me tell you, I found where they are gambling at, right here. I was the youngest by 30 years now. So while we were in there, it said Club 71 drawing, so because I couldn't figure it out, I was like, man, I've never seen this many old people in a casino. You know, there was very few young people our age, except for Mrs. Chef. She's like 80, so
That's right.
Yeah.
They drew my name.
Yeah, she got drawn. She won $1 million. That's right, believe it. All right, so we're back at the room here. See what a beignet look like. There's those, and then we got these straws here. Beignet straws that have a dipping sauce, lemon cream. That's what them look like.
Right here. Okay. This is my jam, girl. Lauren, dude, stop talking.
All right, we got this lemon chantilly cream here. Let's see what we got here going on. Lemons, where's that? Faux show.